Outdoor flight demonstration of the Swift. In real conditions, with a wind of 15 kilometers per hour. With straight flight assistance activated, I just launch it in the desired direction. Look at my hand. I am not doing anything. It keeps flying straight ahead on its own. Now I switch turn assistance off. If I try to make a tight turn without precise control, the bird starts to lose altitude. In sharp turns, it can even fall. Now I set turn assistance to maximum. All I do is push fully left or right, then release when I want to stop turning. The bird maintains its altitude and stays stable. It does not fall during the turn. You can also take off from different surfaces. Just be careful with side wind.